This is Property Cloud, your favorite PropTech service.
And here I am at Suraj Vitalis, which is in Mahim. सूरज एस्टेट डेवलपर्स के बारे में तो हम सबको जान चुके हैं, अब इस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में भी थोड़ा सा जान लेते हैं. This project is located in a total land parcel of approximately 0.5 acres. And in that tower there is going to be 38 floors of beautiful living, जिसमें से 7 levels of parking would be there. So when your residential apartments are going to be above that, of course you're going to get an unobstructed view of the sea forever. इसके अलावा there are going to be multiple amenities also which would be on the rooftop floor. Now other than this also what matters is the connectivity. So from here the upcoming metro station is going to be just about 400 to 500 meters. Along with that also the Mahim railway station is in very great vicinity. The schools and colleges we all know are going to be of amazing level because this is South Bombay. Now what you need to know is the configurations. So they have 1 BHKs and 2 BHK variants, and along with that they also have jodi apartment options of 1+1 and 2+2 BHK options. The 1 BHK apartment starts from 442 square feet onwards and the 2 BHK apartment starts from 650 square feet onwards, and the price range begins from 1.99 crore onwards. Now this is an initial pricing in which there could be more additions of the parking and other charges, but yes, the price in this range in South Mumbai is something that you must look out for. But how are you going to come over here and book the apartment? Well, wait for me. I'm going to tell you how can you come over here, see the apartment and also book the apartment. Stay with me.
Now that you've seen the property, I'm sure you want to know how will the booking process work. Well, it's very simple. All you need to do is captions mein there is a link mentioned. You need to click on that link. Once you do that, our salesperson will get in touch with you, and as I told you, will take you on free site visits, will also help you with the booking process, brokerage free with best offers and everything else. But along with that, you need to actually first of all register. तो उसके लिए जल्दी से कीजिए कैप्शन के ऊपर क्लिक, इसमें आपको मिल सकेगी लिंक. Or do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can see the best of properties across the globe at one destination right over here at Property Cloud with me. Stay tuned to us for the best of properties in your town. Thank you.